Debbie Partrick.
And Debbie, what do you do at BMH?
I'm the Director of Women's and Surgical Services.
And what does that mean?
I am the manager of the birthing center as well as the whole peri-op area.
And peri-op encompasses what?
ACU, PACU, endo, and the OR.
Okay, and so for people who don't know what ACU, PACU, and endo, and whatever is, what is it?
ACU is ambulatory care unit, and that's where outpatients come in. PACU is the post-anesthesia care unit, which is recovery from the operating room. Endo is endoscopy, which is where you get your colonoscopy, and the OR is the operating room.
Perfect. So you're in charge of all of that plus birthing.
I am.
You are a busy woman.
I am.
Yeah. And how long have you been at BMH?
Almost 6 years.
Okay. And what do you like about being at BMH?
I like the family feeling.
Over and over and over. That's the thing that I hear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a great place to work.
And when you're not here, what do you like to do?
I like to vacation with my husband.
And where's your favorite vacation spot?
We just came back from the Grand Canyon and it was awesome.
Oh, fabulous.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.